That one's big. That's a big one. So I got my zucchini. That's a big one. I've seen them bigger, but you can work with bigger ones. I have our pan. I like to line my pan with a little parchment. Good way to get your parchment to stick to the pan is just get the pan a little wet. And then you could just lay down your parchment right on the pan. And I guess the zucchini's got to fit in the pan somehow, so you might have to cut a little bit of it off. Let's see. I have to take about a couple of inches here off the end, so we'll do that. See if it fits in the pan right. Good. Now we're going to take this zucchini and we're going to cut it right down the middle, as evenly as we can. There you have it. Let's get our blender, and we're going to proceed to scoop out. Make sure you don't scoop off the end because we have to make like a little boat. So we're going to scoop out the zucchini. And we'll set a little bit of aside for displacement because we don't want it to overfill. So we'll take that and set it aside, and the rest we're going to put in the blender. Because that's all good eating right there. We're going to reduce it down in the blender as much as you want to scrape it out. So we're going to make us a little boat here with our zucchini. It scrapes out really easily. We're going to put our little boats in the pan. Now, see how this one's not standing up straight? So what I like to do is I like to take a little bit of, because I ran out of toothpicks, but take a piece of linguine or something like that, or spaghetti, and make some stilts for it. Oh, let's see if we can make a stilt for it so it stands up straight. How's that? And you can stand them up straight with your little linguine so they don't fall over. That should stand up just fine. So we'll set that aside. And we have a couple garlics from the garden. And once they're peeled, we'll throw those right into the blender. These are kind of small because I came from my garden. And we have us a fresh onion. Peel that onion. And we can just maybe cut that onion in quarters. Oops. Into the blender. And a little oregano. Some nice tops. That looks good. Chop that up a little bit. You mind if I borrow a couple of eggs from you? I think 3 eggs will do. And maybe some salt. A little salt to taste, maybe about a teaspoon. Maybe a little black pepper. Oops, it's a little too much. A little black pepper. And now, maybe for a couple slices of bread. Nice fresh whole wheat bread. Goes into the blender. Push it down. Now we can fill our little So we're going to set the oven at 350 for 45 minutes. And we'll put this in the oven and see how it comes out. And this is what we've got here. So you can serve it just like that, or we can take it out and we can put our favorite cheese on top. I've got a blend of 5 different cheese here. This is your favorite kind of cheese. And we can just top it off. This is optional. Maybe even add a little olive oil. And put it back in the oven for 10 more minutes. Cheese melt on the top. I'm going to take some of these nice fresh onion greens, chop them up real fine. This way. Just put a little color to it. So here we have it. Stuffed squash. See? And there it is. Stuffed squash.